Navigation started. Northeast on a driveway, then in 500 feet turn right.
My car struggles all the time with uphill roads. What to do?
Navigation started. Northeast on a driveway, then in 500 feet turn right. Turn right onto a driveway, then in 100 feet arrive at the destination.
We are so close to the motorway, which is good. That means we might be able to drive on the motorway, and like that we are gonna be able to save some time. Yeah, it is this one. No, it is not. It is not this one. It is the wrong house. I was this close to break my side mirrors. It is that house number 4, which is gonna cause us trouble because it's a house with a gate.
In 100 feet arrive at the destination. Arrive at the destination.
Alright, that's good. It's bully bag. I need to wash my face. I need water. I need to wash my face and my head because I'm so hydrated. It's a very nice house. The good thing is they have this mailbox. This is the way that I'm putting my camera. Look. If you can see me, guys, how are you? That's very amazing, you know, like right now I'm so relieved because of oh no way.
Navigation started. A U-turn on a driveway, then in 80 feet turn right.
I didn't look. I was very close to make an accident. Yeah, that's the motorway. Let's
In
go.
400 feet, turn right onto A1.
Yeah, you need to be careful joining. Joining the motorway, guys. For those who doesn't live in UK, motorway is the highway.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Derrick Road. In half a mile, turn right onto Derrick Road.
Yeah, BMW driver is behind me and he waits for me to open the road, but he doesn't know that I need to turn right.
Turn right onto Derrick Road.
Look at him.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
Yep. Now stop the AC. I use the AC because I'm driving in the motorway in 70 miles per hour. And if you are driving this fast, you need to put up the windows, the window glasses, because you don't wanna.
Navigation started. Continue northwest on Derrick Road. Then in 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto 4 mile.
Let's look at the battery. It is 83%. It is good. Oops. Oh my god. This close to make an accident. This close. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Oh, thank God that I saw them in the last minute.
Turn right onto 4 mile. Then in 150 feet, turn left to enter a private road. In 150 feet, turn left to enter a private road.
Is it this one? No, that's the wrong one.
In 100 arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
What a nice house. Small envelope number 1. Yep. A small box, not small envelope. Small box number 1. Where are you? And this one.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Sorry.
Thank you very much, thank you.
I'm sorry, I'm recording.
Oh, you're alright.
Really? Thanks.